Today's topic is compounds of xenon. First, we can study the fluorocompound of xenon, XeF2. It was prepared. Preparation of XeF2. XeF2 was prepared by three methods. When it was fluoride with high pressure and Hg arcs, it gave XeF2. When it was reacted with O2F2 at the temperature 160 Kelvin, it gave XeF2 and O2. And third, it was fluorinated at the with nickel at the temperature 680 Kelvin. It gave Xe. F2. Second one is the properties. There are too many chemical reactions. First is hydrogenation. When XeF2 is hydrogenate, it gives 2HeF and Xe. And second one is ionization. When it was react with I2, it gives 2Hi plus Xe. Third one is hydrolysis. When it was react with H2O in the presence of acid, it gives Xe, O2 and 4HF. Next one is with base, that is NaOH, it gives Xe, O2, 4NaF and twice H2. Next one is addition reaction with antimony trifluoride, it gives a complex that is XeF plus and SbF6 minus. When it was disproportionation reactions, it gives Xe and XeF4. And when ethylene molecule, it gives difluoroethene and xenon molecules. When we study about the structure of xenon difluoride, we just know that the hybridized electronic configuration of xenon in ground state is 5s2, 5p6 and 5d0. In the excited state, it's 5s2, one electron was moved from 5p to 5d, and it's 5p5 and 5d1. Due to the excited of 5p electrons in the 5d orbitals, it gives sp3 orbitals. The structure of that molecule is linear 180 degree. Now the second fluorocompound is xenon tetrafluoride, which was prepared when xenon is fluorinated. Xenon is react with 2Fe2 at the temperature and 675 Kelvin and high pressure. It's from xenon tetrafluoride. Now we discuss about the chemical reaction of xenon tetrafluoride. As we know, there are number of reactions. First is with Hg, it gives Xe plus Hg F2. When it was react with platinum, it gives Xe and platinum tetrafluoride. On hydrogenation, it react with 2s2 and gives Xe plus HF. When it was react with sulfur tetrafluoride, it gives xenon and hexafluoro sulfur. Next, when it was react with O2F2, it gives xenon hexafluoride and oxygen. When it was react with aromatic compound, that is benzene, it gives fluoro benzene, xenon and HF. On hydrolysis, it was react with H2O and it gives 4Xe plus 3O2 plus 2XeO3 plus 24 HF. And the last reaction, which was when the XeF4 is react with ethene molecule, it gives difluoroethane, monofluoroethane and xenon. Now we discuss about the structure of XeF4. The ground state of xenon, as we know, it is 5s2, 5p6. At the excited state, 2 electrons of 5p orbitals were excited in the 5d orbitals, and the configuration in the excited state is 5s2, 5p4, 5d2. Due to the excited of 2 electrons in d orbitals, the electronic configuration, or we can say hybridization, is sp3d2, and the shape of XeF4 with 2 lone pair of electron is square planar. Now the next fluorocompound is xenon hexafluoride. Now we discuss about the preparation. It is prepared by heating a mixture of xenon and fluorine in the ratio of 1:20 in the nickel vessels at 300 degrees temperature and 50 atmospheric pressure. Xe react with 3F2 and it gives XeF6. Now we discuss about the physical properties of hexafluoride. It is colorless crystalline solid at room temperature, and it is melt at 47 degrees Celsius to give a yellow liquid. It is the best stored in nickel container because it is rapidly attack glass silica. Now we discuss about the chemical reactions. Chemical reaction of xenon hexafluoride. First it was react with silica, that is SiO2, and it gives XeOF4 and SiF4. Second, hydrogenation. In the hydrogenation reaction, XeF6 react with 3H2 and it gives Xe and 6HF. Third, it was react with acid, that is 6HCl, and it's give Xe plus 3Cl2 plus 6HF. Next, when XeF6 react with ammonia 8NH3, it's give Xe plus 6NH4F ammonium fluoride plus N2. And next one is hydrolysis reaction. On hydrolysis, when XeF6 react with 3H2, it's give XeO3 plus 6HF, and when it was react with base, that is XeF6 plus 10 NaOH, it's give Na4XeO6 fraxinate, which is known as fraxinate, plus 6 NaF plus 4 H2O plus S2. Now we discuss about the structure. In the excited state, there is 3 electrons move in 5d orbitals, and the configuration in the excited state is 5s2, 5p3 and 5d3. Due to the excited of 3 electrons, the hybridization of the XeF6 is sp3d3 with 1 lone pair of electrons. It's have distorted octahedral shape. Now we discuss about the second compounds, that is oxyfluoride of xenon. The first oxyfluoride of xenon is xenon oxytetrafluoride, that is XeOF4. Now we discuss about the preparation of XeOF4. First is hydrolysis of XeF6. When XeF6 is react with H2O, it's give XeOF4 twice HF. Second, on heating XeF6 in silica tube at 50 degrees Celsius, it was react with XeF6 react with SiO2 at the temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. It's give XeOF4 and SiF4, and it is also give XeO3 and SiF4. When we discuss about the physical properties of oxytetrafluoride, it is clear, colorless, mobile liquid which can be stored unchanged in a nickel container for a long period. Now we discuss about the chemical reaction of the XeOF4. First, hydrogenation at the temperature 200 degrees Celsius. When XeO4 react with twice H2, it's give Xe plus H2O plus twice HF. Second one is when it was react with silica. XeOF4 react with SiO2, it's give XeO3 plus SiF4. Third one is hydrolysis reaction. When it was react with H2O, it's first give XeO2F2 plus twice HF. Further, it was hydrolyzed with H2O and it's give XeO3 plus twice HF. Now we discuss about the structure of the xenon oxytetrafluoride. According to the valence bond theory, there are 5s2, 5p6, 5d0 in the ground state. In the third excited states, it's have 5s2, 5p3, 5d3, and when it was react with fluoride, oxyfluoride compounds, the electronic configuration was changed, and the hybridization in the XeO4 is sp3d2. And the shape of XeOF4 with 1 lone pair of electron is square pyramidal. The next oxyfluoride is xenon dioxydifluoride, that is XeO2F2. Now we discuss about the preparation of XeO2F2. The xenon trioxide react with xenon oxytetrafluoride to form xenon dioxide difluoride. It means XeO3 react with XeOF4 and it's give 2 moles of XeO2F2. Now we discuss about the physical properties of xenon dioxide difluoride. It's form a colorless crystals which melt at the temperature 30.8 degrees Celsius, giving a colorless liquid. Now we discuss the chemical reaction of xenon dioxide difluoride. On hydrolysis, when it was react with water, that is XeO2F2 react with H2O, it's give twice HF plus XeO3. Now we discuss about the structure of XeO2F2. In XeO2F2, xenon exhibits excited state as in XeF6, and its exhibits it's have sp3 dehybridization, in which two 5d orbitals are not included in the hybridization. Now two electrons of two fluoride atoms and two electrons of two oxygen atoms form 4 sigma bond with hybrids orbital, and two other unpaired electron of two oxygen atom form pi electrons with 5d orbitals of xenon, which are not included in the hybridization. And it means that the hybridization in the XeO2F2 is sp3d with one lone pair of electrons and double bond with oxygen molecule. Now we just describe the oxides of. Now we discuss about the oxides of xenon. There are two oxides which are present in extreme, that is xenon trioxide and xenon tetraoxide. Now we discuss firstly xenon trioxide. The preparation of xenon trioxide. Both xenon tetrafluoride and xenon hexafluoride are hydrolyzed by the water to give xenon 6 in the form of undissociated xenon trioxide. It means xenon F6 react with 3H2O and it's give xenon XeO3 and 6HF, and XeF4 react with 12H2O and it's give 2XeO3 plus 4Xe plus 3O2 plus 24HF. Now we discuss about the properties of xenon trioxide. The properties of xenon trioxides are: first, the aqueous solution are colorless, odorless, stable and non-conducting. Second, on evaporation, solid XeO3 is obtained, which is powerful, explosive. And third one, in aqueous solution, it's behave as a weak acid, and in basic solution, it's get hydrolyzed to form presennates. The reaction is XeO3 plus 3H2O, it's give H plus and H4XeO6 minus. And the second reaction is when 2XeO3 react with 4NaOH and 6H2O, it's give Xe plus O2 plus Na4XeO6 dot 8H2O. Fourth one, when xenon oxide act as a strong oxidant. Now we discuss about the reaction in which it was act as a strong oxidant, that is XeO3 react with 6SKI plus 6HCl, it's give Xe plus 3I2 plus 6KCl plus 3H2O. Under the, and last, fifth, under the action of strong oxidant, the xenon trioxide get changed into the perxenate, that is Na4XeO6, when XeO3 plus 4NaOH plus O3, it's give Na4HCO6 fractionate plus O2 plus 2S2O. Next, compound is xenon tetraoxide. It is an unstable gas at room temperature. It is obtained by the action of anhydrous sulfuric acid on Na4HCO6 or Ba2HCO6. The reactions are Na4HCO6 plus H2SO4, it's give HCO4 plus 2Na2SO4 plus 2H2O, and Ba2HEO6 react with 2H2SO4, it's give HCO4 plus 2BaSO4 plus 2H2O. When we discuss about the structure of xenon trioxide, it is as the oxygen in xenon oxytetrafluoride is able to share one lone pair of electrons of xenons. Oxygen in HCO3 are able to share 3 of lone pair of xenons. Thus, only 8 vacant electrons are present, and it's give sp3 hybridization, and the shape of sp3 hybridization with one lone pair of electron is pyramidal. Now we discuss about the structure of xenon tetraoxide. In xenon tetraoxide, all the 8 electrons of the outer shell of xenon become unpaired, and xenon exhibits sp3 hybridization. The 4 5d orbitals are not included in the hybridization. Now 4 electrons of the 4 oxygen atoms form 4 sigma bond with hybrid orbital, and other 4 oxygen atom forms 4 pi bond with the 5d orbital, hence the shape is tetrahedral. Now at last, we just have a table in which we just discuss the hybridization, shape, number of electron pairs and number of lone pair electrons in a various compound of xenon. Thank you. Have a nice day and safe day.